Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Girardi, CEO of ProEst, and welcome to Tech Talk. Today we're talking about our latest release, which is v16. Just came out this past weekend. I'm going to start down the bottom of our menu here because I'm going to show you some new functions added to the support tab, and that's our brand new knowledge base. We can see within here there's these icons up top to allow you to get right into a specific topic, like I can go to system settings, get more information about a particular topic, type in a keyword to find a topic. So the goal here is to give you more transparency and more assistance. If you have any quick questions, you can quickly type something in and find some answers. Also down at the bottom here, there's a couple sections. Getting started, some quick tutorials on that, as well as what's new in v16. I'm going to click on here and quickly give you a preview. There's some takeoff functionality that I'm going to show you in a moment. There are over a dozen new reports as well as enhancements to existing reports in the system. These are the reports that you can preview later. Really exciting ones, things that allow us to track number of hours to put together an estimate, all at your fingertips. And then some big enhancements. There is a new education section, which I'm going to show you. Some enhancements to our Acumatica and CMSE integration, as well as single sign-on in ProEst. So now we have the ability to use both Azure and one login to initiate single sign-on process. So I'm going to go up the menu here, click on education. Really excited about this. Our goal here is, with today's world and everything that's going on, how do we give you the ability to train your staff and maintain your education level on ProEst without ever leaving the office? Well, that's what our education module is all about now. So right now there's one certification course, as you can see here. There will be probably 2 to 3 by the end of February, just to give you some insight. The idea here is I can click into a course. There's an explanation of the course, a duration of how long it will take. If I click on the first chapter within it, you'll see that there are a dozen or so videos. There's multiple tests that happen throughout this, all with the goal of not only educating you on ProEst, but also taking an assessment and making sure that you understand it and where is your knowledge level on our platform. So trying to make it easier for you to train your staff at the end of the day. The users tab over here on the right is also going to show you per user within your organization, what certifications have you earned and what is the score. So are people proficient enough to utilize ProEst for your business? That's the goal. So again, really excited about this. This has been on our to-do list for many, many years, and now we finally made it a reality, and it will continue to evolve as our releases do as well. Okay, some other really huge enhancements. I'm going to come up to open up an estimate because I want to show you some of these takeoff enhancements that have been all feature requests from clients. Some of our clients have been asking for this functionality, and we have implemented it. So 2 big changes here. The first one is I could take off any item or any assembly one time and utilize it on an unlimited number of pages. All right, so you got to let that sink in, right? So before, if I was taking off a slab on 5 pages, I would have to add new takeoff 5 times, put that slab on five different pages. On my estimate tab, I would have 5 different assemblies to hold that data. Now you have the option. You could still do that, but you do have the option of taking off one slab and doing those takeoffs on an unlimited number of pages, which is not only going to clean up your takeoff, but it's going to clean up your estimate tab as well. So really excited to bring that functionality to the system. Also over on the left, you will see there's a new group by option. So another feature request from our clients is I want to be able to group the takeoffs by a sort type. And you'll see when I click on this down arrow, it gives me all the available sort types I have in this particular account. So this list will show all of your sort types. So not only do we have the ability to have one takeoff and have it displayed on multiple pages, but now I could even group my takeoffs by phase or floor or uniformat or location on the project. It's really unlimited. It's all based off of how you have the system configured. Up top here, you'll see I could hide all, or I could show them from all pages. So I could show all takeoffs from all pages in a single place. right? Display them all and still have that copy function. So really excited about bringing this functionality to the table. We have some other huge enhancements coming for the Takeoff module as well in v17 that we have already begun working on. As a company, one of the things we are focused on is keeping our foot on the technology gas, if you will, always bringing new technology, always bringing new ideas, new innovations to our client base. So we do appreciate your business. Hope you enjoyed this month's episode of Tech Talk, and we will see you next month. Thank you very much. Take care.